Do you confuse between sometime as one word, sometime as two words, and sometimes with an S? If yes, then this video is for you. Here we will learn together the meanings of these three words and also how to use them in sentences. Let's start. Sometime as one word means some point of time. Some point of time. For example, I had met him sometime in the last month. I had met him sometime in the last month. It means I had met this person at some point of time in the last month. Sometime as two words means a large span of time, a long span of time. For example, can you give me some time? Can you spare me some time? It means can you give some amount of time, possibly a long span of time. And the third one, sometime with an S, means occasionally and not frequently. Occasionally and not frequently. For example, he sometimes goes out for lunch at restaurants. He sometimes goes out for lunch at restaurants. I hope the meanings of these three words, sometime as a single word, sometime as two words, and sometimes are very clear to you now. If you like this video, then make sure you give it a thumbs up and also share the video with your friends and family, and make sure you are subscribed to this channel and also like the Facebook page. If you have any suggestions for my channel, then you can leave them in the comment box. Thank you and see you soon.